Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have 18 items going out from this weekend and I need to be super fast today if I want to stay within my 3-minute window for these 3-minute what sold videos. So let's get into it. All right guys, the first item we have here is a pair of Cole Haan women's wingtip suede shoes. And I purchased those for $4 and they sold for $35. Next up are these Adidas women's shoes and I bought these for $4 and they sold for $34.97. Next are these men's SAS shoes and these I purchased for $5 and they sold for $39. And then I sold this tournament Rumacube game and I got it for $2 and it sold for $50. And then here we have a Callaway golf hat. I didn't really look it up before I bought it, but I bought it for $2 and it only sold for $12.97. Up next is we have these baby Patagonia snow pants or bibs and I purchased those for $2 and they sold for $35. Subscribe! And then I have a pair of swim trunks here. They're Billabong swim trunks and I purchased those for $1.70 and they sold for $17.97. And then this is one of my best finds probably of last month is these Brioni pants and I purchased these for $2 and they sold for $90. Up next we have a Columbia long sleeve PFG shirt and I purchased this for $3 and it sold for $22.97. And then here I have a White Horse pearl snap shirt. I purchased this for only $0.25 and it sold for $14.26. Right here I have a NASCAR Dick Trickle t-shirt and I purchased this for $5 a while back and it sold for $34.97. Here we have a Free Fly polo and I purchased this one for $4 and it sold for $22.50. Up next we have a Marmot long sleeve shirt and I purchased this for $3 and it sold for $22. All right, on to the sweaters and jackets. So right here I have a Kuji type kind of sweater. It's not Kuji, but I purchased this. It's 100% wool and I purchased this for $4 and it sold for $20. And then I got this really cool Woolrich fleece and I purchased that for $5 and it sold for $45. And up next here is we have a Hollister jean trucker jacket and I purchased that for $5 and it sold for $24.97. And the jacket here, this leather jacket here was a kid's leather jacket and I purchased it for $4 and it sold for $49.97. And then you can't really see this one, but this is probably the best sale that I had in this bunch and it was a Minolta flash meter. Purchased it for $3 and it sold for $99.97.